Hello friends, my name is Manish Kumar. In this tutorial, we'll talk about InstaWP. So what exactly InstaWP and how we can use that. So in this video, I will tell you about that. So first tell me like a scenario. Let's suppose someone reach out to you for a website. So you have two options. Either you can start creating their website on the local host, okay? And the other option is to purchase a hosting or any hosting that you want and you can start building site over there. But let's suppose you created website on hosting and at the end of the day customer denied that I don't want this website. This is not looking good or any XYZ reason. So you invested on your money and that got wasted. Or if you go for a local host way, it's a free like installing a XAMPP server, installing WordPress on that, and you can start create website on that. But that also not a great option. Why? Because if you want to share the website to your client, then you need to ask your client to come on a Zoom, and then you can show him. Or the other way is to send the screenshot, but screenshot is not that good way to share those things. So now you can use InstaWP. So InstaWP is a free platform that you can use. You can create your site for 48 hours. You can host it for free, no issue on that. And you can just pass the details with the customer. You can show him how his website will look like and all those things. So currently it's on a waitlist. You can join the waitlist and once it release, you can start using that. So I'm great thankful to the Vikas Singla. He's the founder of this tool. So yesterday while scrolling to Twitter, we catch up and then he introduced me about this tool. So let's see how we can use this tool. So he gave me the early access. So now the dashboard will look something like that. You can choose the WordPress version that you want. Let me install the latest one. Let me select the PHP version as the latest PHP version. And for the site name, let me give something like okay, because I'm not giving the biggest TV because I already created a website with that name. Okay, so let me just creating that website. So it's super fast and you love that too. So it's installing the SSL, it's installing the WordPress, and it will create everything for me. So here it is. So in order to log in into this website, just click here, copy the username. Great, great. This website is up. Enter the username, enter the password that we have, and voila, you just log in. It's a super fast. Like I'm using this from a last night, and I literally love this tool. So let's build a website really quick. So let's just install Astra theme. You'll also do the speed comparison, like how it is performing. Okay, let's install Astra. Let's activate it. Astra option. Import a template. We'll import a template and we'll see how it is. Let's select our favorite Elementor and just install simple. Let's create a blog site and free. Okay, so we'll use this. Import complete site. Intermediate. Creating for self. Next. Skip. As you can see, like within a fraction of minute, your website is about to complete. So while creating website, you can take help of these templates. These are very good looking template, and if your client is not, or if your client is not paying you a good amount, you can definitely go for a template and that will work. So it's imported. Okay, that's very quick. Okay, and here's the website, as you can see, and that looks super awesome and super fast. So let's run a GTmetrix on this. Just copy paste this and let's see the speed like. And one more thing, like if you scroll down, this the website that we created, it will host it only for 48 hours. After that it got expired, and you can create up to 10 site, and it's a free SSL with the site you get. Okay, so it's almost done, and wow, what a great speed. So definitely it is hosted on some powerful server. That's the reason we are getting this amazing speed. So I will definitely ask you to try this out. This is a very amazing tool that will help you, and also follow Vikas for creating this awesome tool. So thank you friends. This is all for this video.